Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of OS First Timer USA. And in this episode we are going to be testing out Windows XP without a mouse. So, as you know, OS First Timer from Sydney, Diana tries out Windows 10 Fall Creators Update without a mouse. She really didn't like it. If this wasn't YouTube Live, I'd put in like a little clip, but this is YouTube Live. So, today we're going to be trying out Windows XP. So, here we have my Logitech ergonomic trackball. So, goodbye, my friend. And also, we can still use this for a little help, because I do have the trackpad still, but what you're gonna want to do is hit Control P to start it up. Okay. So we are even going to put the cursor down here. And this should actually auto log in, so I shouldn't have to put in a password. Yeah. If I have to, I just put the camera down. Also, I like using YouTube Live because like I don't have to edit my videos. It's just a little bit stuck. Okay. Loading our personal settings. And also, we are using the guest account for Windows XP. So this will take a second. Okay, why does my phone case feel wet? Hopefully my Karen isn't crying. Okay. Okay, so your first task is, what time is it? Oh, let me just get rid of the start button, menu. So I can use the mouse, but you cannot. Okay. So, let me also get rid of that. Okay, so what time is it? Currently the time is 8:33 p.m. Okay, so we have an error. We have a few things popping up. We'll just don't send. Yeah, see, when you first start up a new account. Oh, come on. A lot of stuff will be here. Yeah. Okay, so your next task is to write, save, open, and delete a document. Okay. So we're gonna put the cursor up here so that it's not confused. Okay, so let's see. I know a ton of keyboard commands, so since I'm going off my memory here, I know a lot of commands, so this should be easy for me. If people had just learned their commands, things would be a lot easier. So this is basically like a knockoff version of Diana trying it out. But because I know keyboard commands and she really didn't. Okay, so basically what I did is I hit my start button, so this button. Then what I did was I used my arrow keys, so I'm hitting arrow down until I hit all programs. Then I hit my enter key. Okay. Then I scroll on down to Microsoft Office, and then hit enter, and then Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Office Word 2007. So, let's open it up. Now, yeah, disgust. Okay. Okay, so let me just... Okay. Okay. Okay, so now, just right. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna use my keyboard here, because I haven't used it much. So this is me typing. Now, because I know my keyboard commands, I know that Control S, so the control key, and then S, that equals save. Okay, so this is me typing, and I will just call document. So, and then save. Just enter. Okay, so this is the part where Diana got tricked. Closing a program. So, how would you close it? Okay, since I know my keyboard commands, I'm just gonna pretend that I don't, okay? I know them, but just for this video, I'm gonna pretend that I just lost them all, and I know basic commands, like Control S, C, X, V. So yeah, I'm gonna be basic here. Okay, so let's open up the internet here. So we're gonna go to Internet Explorer, which isn't the greatest browser in the world, but just for this, it'll be fine. Okay. So, ask me later. Okay, so maybe I just type in, oh my god. Okay. Also, the basic commands that I know is switching between tabs in a web browser, cut, copy, and paste, and how to open the start menu and navigate it. So that is all I know. Oh, come on already. Oh, and moving. Oh, it's getting somewhere. Okay, there we go. So, typing in Google. Okay, so now we are at Google. And happy Thanksgiving to any American watching here. So, how to close a program on Mac. Keyboard shortcut. So, I know it, but just for this video I'm playing dumb. So, yeah, I was just about to use my touchpad. Okay, so press Control Alt Delete, then Alt T. Okay, so Control Shift Escape. And then I know Alt Tab. That's to switch programs. Okay. Alt Tab. Back to there. Alt. Because my DOS user. Always on top. Okay, so Alt Tab. Back over to Internet Explorer. Oh, come on. See? When you want something to work, but it doesn't. So make sure that's okay. So Alt Tab back over to IE. And how do I scroll? Maybe just use the arrow keys. To quickly close the current application, press Alt plus F4. Okay, so Alt F4. Close all. There we go. I just learned some, but I actually learned that quite a while ago. And I'll just close that off. Okay, so now you're still not on. Or you're still on the right save and open task. And it's been like 10 minutes. Yeah. So open it. Okay, so I know that I have to go to my documents, so what I did is I just hit on my start button, went over to internet, but when I'm over here, I just tapped on my left or right key here, took me to my documents, okay, and now let's just go over to document, and it opened, okay. Calculate 89 times 56. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna open up Start, and because I know how to use XP, mostly, I'm gonna go down to All Programs, go over to Accessories, because I'm a Windows 7 user, so I know calculators in here. And calculator, right there. Okay, so 89 times 56. Let's hope if numlock was on. Yeah, 89 times 56. So, and the answer is 4,984. That's not in focus. Come on. And there. Okay, so here's a bonus task. Open a window, like an Explorer window, and try and access the menu, like minimize, maximize. Okay, so like the one in Windows 3.1. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up my computer window. I have to go down, then go over down to my computer. Okay, so usually I would just tap on the right click button, which is right here, but it doesn't work. Oh, now it does. Maybe I can just properties. Oh, yeah, you don't want to. No. Okay, so the keyboard command you're gonna want to do is Alt Spacebar. Okay, and then you can just go down to close there. So, oops. Just tap on it. So the keyboard thing is Alt Spacebar. So when you do that, this will pop up, and then you just scroll down to close. Okay. So now change the desktop background. Okay, so since I know that's the right click key, I'm gonna tap it, and this came up, and I'm gonna go down to properties. That's I don't think I need that. Oh, let me just do some. Let me just click on the desktop. Okay, just gonna hide that, and then now do it. Okay, so now we're gonna go down to properties. Okay. Okay, so now, how are you gonna get the desktop background? Windows XP fancy? Okay, so what the? Oh, just close out that. Okay. So, oh wait, maybe if I do. Ah, it worked. Ah, wait, hold on. Desktop. There we go. And now just where's all the there? Let's do friend. Even though I don't like it. Let's do it. Oops. Good enough. Yeah. Okay, so your last task is we are gonna do what Diana did in Windows 10, and we are going to write a short story of someone who goes to a shop, buys a car, comes back home. Okay, so now you may have your mouse back just for a second so you can configure the keyboard. Go get yourself a cup of coffee. This may take a while. Seriously, all you're gonna see is darkness until we say okay. Okay, so now we have the Dvorak set up, and you saw our pane, sort of. So, you have 2 minutes, so what we're gonna do is open up a timer, and also it does say English United States Dvorak, so hit the Q key, and that's now the apostrophe key. And that's the apostrophe. Wait, that's some random key. I don't know what it is. While we wait for Firefox to open, I'm gonna do something that Philip told her to do. Wait, hold on. I messed up. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, so now. Oh, you could have put the import wizard on the top. You do know that, right? Okay, so what you're going to do when Firefox opens is do tell horizontally. Oops, I meant vertically, actually. Okay, so vertically, no. There. Okay, so now do vertically again. There we go. So now, search on Google stopwatch. Oops. Where's S? S. It's T. It's the T key. That's the D key. Wait, no. It's right there. Yeah, see, when we're working with Dvorak, it's terrible. Yeah. That's the dash key. Yep. Okay, so that's dash. S, N, T. O would be right there, but O is right there. P is right there. No, it's right there. There it is. Stopwatch. But you're gonna wanna search with Google. Okay. Now we're just gonna use the touchpad for this. Okay. So you have, unlike Philip, who gave Dinah 2 minutes, you're getting 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's do 2:30. There. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so T. Oops, that's B. T, where's T, T, T? Where is it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. H, where's H? 5, so right there. Nope, right there. E, where's E? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The B. It's O. It's O. You're watching this here, folks. Where's Y? Where's Y? Stupid Y key. Let me make that font a little bit bigger. So we have paused the timer just to make the font a little bit bigger so he can actually see. So we're gonna go to 28. Okay, continue. Okay. It's the stupid Y key. Come on. The stupid Y. Oh, there it is. 4. The bop. The boy went. No, that's X. Where's X? Oh, that's far. Went. Where's E? He has 52 seconds left. Where's N? Stupid N key. All the keys are stupid now. 40 seconds. Where's the stupid N key? Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3. There's the T key. Where's the T key? 25 seconds. Just the boy went. Come on. 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There's O. 2. The. Okay. So let's see how he went in 2 minutes 30 seconds. So he got, the boy went to the S. That's all he got. Well, Diana was right. Dvorak is pretty hard to type in when you don't know where all the keys are. And when you have a QWERTY layout, like I do here. And you have an ergonomic keyboard here, which I wasn't using. So yeah, Diana's right. I take for granted this keyboard, so let's just go back to English United States. But the thing that I really like about this is D-O-V-O-R-A-K. It's my Ekerpat. If you type Dvorak in the Dvorak layout, you get Ekerpat. which is really funny. So let's just switch over to there, and let's just finish out our story. So the boy went to the store, got a car, and went back home. Okay, so now save that. Okay. And then I will say what is it? Oh, you can't use the cursor. Oh yeah, move. My EK RPAT miss my EkerPat misadventure. Let me just have it there. So now close it off. Okay. And finally shut down the little puppy, or the Windows XP. Okay, so I'll just, you know what, I'll just press the power button. No. Do it without pressing the power button. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's go over there. Ah, come on. I have to literally scroll down both rows. Turn off computer. And turn off. Closing network connections, and Windows is shutting down. You may have your mouse back. And there we go. But not a disk. So, how did you like Windows 10 without a mouse? Okay. So, let me get this straight. Windows 10, it's good. It is actually very good. But when you have it without a cursor, it can be pretty difficult to use, especially for beginners. Like me, I know all my commands. Like, give me a command test. I know I will pass it. Seriously, like find a test online, put it in the comments below, and I'll share my results. So, as a person who knows their commands, using Windows is very easy. Like, I can navigate Windows 10, but like, it'd be harder. It's like, I know, like, here, I know it's supposed to be a black screen, but, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All I have to do to launch it is do the start button and 6. And then start tab to open it. But let me just open another one. So like, let's say there's this open here, my task list. So let's say I do start 6. Then I can just flip between them just by hitting the 6 key. So yeah, that looks actually super cool on camera. Really does. So yeah, as long as you know your commands, really, you have nothing to worry about. But for Diana, it was hard for her because she basically knows C, X, and V. That's basically it. And that's cool and all, but you need to know a lot more to be productive. I'm not saying anything bad, but you need to know a lot of commands to be productive on a computer. So, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this episode of OS for STEMmer AM, and we will see you in the next episode. Have a good day, everyone. Bye. Really. It couldn't go to 30 minutes, really. Well, just enjoy this peaceful background. That's not mine, but still, enjoy this background until I feel like closing off the video. So, goodbye.